cheap affiliates!
Let me ask you something. What if you could earn up to $17 per sale without creating products, without handling customers, and without doing any support? And it's completely free to join. If you're a YouTuber, a freelancer, a Shopify creator, or even someone who talks about online business, you're already sending traffic somewhere. So why not get paid for it? Most people promote tools for free, but smart people promote tools with commission. That's exactly why I created the FTX Studio affiliate program. Here's how it works. You sign up, you get your unique referral link, you share it in your YouTube description, your TikTok bio, your blog, or Instagram. And when someone buys through your link, you earn commission. Simple. No product stock, no customer support, no risk.
Now, here's what makes this powerful. Up to 30% commission per sale. Earn up to $17.70 per sale. You will get paid weekly payouts via Stripe or PayPal, and it's completely free to join.
You should join if you make Shopify tutorials, you teach dropshipping, you have a business audience, you're a freelancer or an agency, or maybe you just want passive income online. Even beginners can do this. You don't need a big audience. You need the right audience. Let me be honest with you. This is not get rich overnight. But if you consistently share your link in tutorials, in blog posts, in real content, it adds up. One sale per day? That's serious monthly income. If you're serious about building online income, click the link in the description. Join the FTX Studio affiliate program. It takes less than 2 minutes. Start promoting. Start earning. See you inside.